Why do we sneeze? Achoo! Ever wonder why we sneeze? And why we can't keep our eyes open when we do? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants, like dust, pollen, or even pepper. When something tickles the inside of your nose, your brain sends a powerful message: blow it out. And wow, it's powerful! A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. But why do we always close our eyes? Scientists think it's a reflex to protect them from bacteria and debris. So next time you sneeze, just let it out, and don't forget to cover your mouth. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.